Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor X7 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and it doesn't really matter if we will stick with the photo mode or the video mode. We have to enter the settings in the right upper corner, and as you can see right here we've got the video section and the video resolution is at the very top, so let's tap on it. And here we've got three different options from which we can choose. We've got 1080p option applied with the ratio 16:9, and we've got two different 720p, and the only difference is in the ratio, so we've got the 21:9 and 16:9. It's of course up to you which option you'd like to use. Let me, for example, pick this one, so simply tap on the option, and as you can see it will be immediately notified right here. So after getting back, you will be able to see that from now on your device will use the chosen resolution. But I highly recommend to stick with this option. As you can see, it is recommended by the developer and it is the best possible here. So basically that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your Honor X7. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.